Mga ka-homepage, hindi lang music, art at theater workshop ang pwedeng pagkaabalahan ng mga kids ngayong summer.
Dahil maging sa sports, pwede nyo ring i-involve ang inyong mga anak gaya na lamang ng tennis workshop. Yan.
At para malaman ninyo kung ano ang benepisyo nito, makakasama natin ngayong umaga si Raymond Gutierrez, Nelson Labini Boyet Peña from Jordan High Tennis Sports Club. Good morning po. Welcome to homepage.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, so ano-ano po ba yung basic tactics na itinuturo ninyo sa tennis?
Okay. First is hello. First is yung exercise muna.
Ayun.
Tennis.
Warm up.
Stretching.
Warm up.
That's what we call this warm up.
Yes.
Stretching. Then after that is yung mga basic natin na proper handling of racket. Tennis racket. Yes. Let's say for example, the continental grip. Please show it.
Grip.
Okay. Second is Eastern grip.
Eastern
That is the forehand side. Huh?
This is the Eastern
Then,
grip.
third and lastly is the Western grip. Yun ang tinatawag sa forehand side ng palo ng tennis.
Wow.
Okay. Ngayon, kapag mag-serve naman ako, mag-smash or volley, ang grip na tinatawag natin is continental grip. That is the continental.
For
Okay.
service
Para
po.
For service is
service.
continental
Yes.
also. Okay. Then next is volley.
Volley.
Please show them yung volley. Continental grip din.
Paano po ba?
Para nakikipag-shake hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, that's it. Good. Okay. So smash naman, please show them yung smash. Yet? Okay.
Please.
Okay,
Show us the
smash.
smash.
Okay. Racket up and then
Alright.
okay, that is smash. Same through with service. Isa rin lang ang
Smash.
forma niyan. Sa service at saka smash.
Then I'm just curious po, no? Ano ba yung tamang age para, di ba, mag-start na maglaro ng tennis? Or yung advisable age?
Actually,
Saka
ano,
mag-enroll dun sa workshop.
actually simula age 6 pwede na eh. As much as kahit tumanda kung minsan. Meron nga kaming student at player na ngayon na around 72, meron nga 75 years old eh, na lolo.
No age limit.
If I may ask po, no, ano po bang difference ng squash tennis sa tennis na nilalaro po ninyo? Kasi po marami pong ano eh, medyo hindi po alam yung squash tennis. Although I know because I've played squash tennis. So bigyan po natin ng idea yung mga viewers natin kung ano ba yung difference.
Yung squash kasi, unang-una, mas maliit yung racket niya. Iba yung racket niya. Tsaka squash, limited yung area. Parang
Yes.
halos kasing laki lang yata nung sa badminton court yan. Pero tennis, ano yan eh, talagang malawakan yan eh. Malawakang laro yan. And,
Open court na
yes.
Squash tennis, nasa loob lang siya
ng
court.
indoor.
Yes, indoor.
Yeah.
Indoor.
Sa tennis, merong hard court, meron ding clay court, merong shell court, meron ding grass court. As in, talagang damo. Synthetic man or talagang grass, yes.
So can you give us tips para sa mga gusto ring matuto ng ganitong sport? Please.
I would like to tell everybody na unang-una higit sa lahat, yung mga interesado mag-tennis, kindly contact us sa Jordan Heights Tennis Club located sa Novaliches. Kami ang pinaka-cheapest swimming so far.
And do you have a website po kung saan nila
Yes,
pwede? Ano po yung website?
Okay, check na lang ninyo sa Facebook namin, Jordan Heights Tennis Sports Club. Tapos, you can call us at 985-0751.
Alright.
985-0751.
Alright.
Thank
So,
you very much.
maraming
Thank you very
salamat.
much
And
po
may natutunan na naman
Yes,
tayo ngayong
true.
umaga. Mga ka-homepage, magbabalik pa kami, kaya huwag kayong maglilipat ng channel.
So,